press the bell icon for all the updates.
फाइट होगा होगा हो रहा है तुम्हारा सारा दादा वो दादा दादा अरे विजुअल के लिए है दादा वो दादा 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 सर नीचे करो
अरे नहीं मिल रहा है नीचे का जान देना हाइट ज़्यादा ले ले रहे अपन इसके लिए कम पड़ रहा है समझ रहे हैं
John, how does it feel? It's been a nuclear test and you have really passed every challenge with flying colors. At this stage, what are the feelings like?
So, I think, I don't know whether Abhishek has done this, lekin it's the first time for me, this get together.
Oh, this is, I mean, we have done before release, but I think post release.
Post release, pehli baar hum
pehli
log
baar,
kar rahe hain.
first time.
But I think this is very important just to thank the media, to thank the distributors, the exhibitors, to thank everybody in the distribution chain, and to thank our partners also, Z, Kaita, Vashu Bhagnani, that's Pooja Films, and also our marketing team, Varun, Mohit and Rukesh here, and our digital team,
Parth for the
Parth
publicity.
for the publicity, WWO, and Brain on Rent, and everybody, just all the partners involved. Wanted to thank everybody and say that they're all responsible. Dekha, abhi nuclear test वापस
Also the Honorable Bombay High Court.
Yeah, and the Honorable Bombay High Court for this to happen. So it's been a journey, and we're very relieved to be here. Thank you all of you. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thank
much.
you.
Really, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you.
John, at any point did you all ever think that this film should get a tax-free?
Yeah, so I went and met the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Fadnavis, and he's saying, "Yeah, everybody is speaking about this film." He's saying it's so special, and he was dying to see it. I think he must have seen it by now. But I think with the GST coming in, the whole tax-free system of passing on GST from distributor to exhibitor to producers is very, 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 very complicated. But to be fair to him, he said I want Parmanu to be the first film that becomes tax-free in that. But I think the whole process took a little time. But we are still thankful to him for his support.
John, अगर इस फिल्म के लिए नेशनल अवार्ड मिलता है, तो आपकी पहली प्रतिक्रिया क्या होगी ये जानना चाहिए?
मैं तो I think पहले तो I hope we make it to the national awards. I think शायद अभिषेक के लिए काफ़ी well deserved है.
It's too presumptuous, but I think it's too presumptuous.
और नहीं, मैं मानता हूँ कि ये एक अच्छी फिल्म है, कमर्शियल फिल्म भी है, एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म भी है और कंटेंट ड्रिवन फिल्म भी है. तो जैसे अभिषेक ने कहा, इट्स टू अर्ली इन द डे, हम लोग इतने ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है. वी थिंक वी विल डिजर्व व्हाटएवर द कमिटी.
Right now we are
Rightfully
happy with the
thinks.
national reward, that the people are loving it.
Yeah,
I
people
think
are loving it is very important for us. Or I think unanimously people have loved it.
But John, also if you talk about screen numbers, we hear that with race 3 also coming, it's not really going to affect the screen numbers that you've got.
Yeah, so that's the good news. We just heard that our shows are not going to be affected with the new release. So it'll help for us to reach our 50 days, which we want to reach, and maybe 100 days, inshallah. But 50 days definitely we want to reach, and we have a certain target in mind, and we want to reach that target in terms of we want to touch close to 65 is what we want to look at. So we're hoping. We've got the support of all of you. We've got the support of our exhibitors and distributors and the media. So all of you. और कुछ पूछना है आपको?
So now we are stepping into Satyam Vijay. There is also Raw coming on. There
जी.
is Patla House, Attack, a lot of projects lined up.
Yeah,
You're
he's
also loving the new look.
yeah.
ये look किसके लिए है?
ये रॉ के लिए है. रॉ के लिए. Satyam Vijay is done. It's for Raw. And Abhishek's also stepping into another film.
Zoefak.
We both want to come back together sooner. I was just telling him, तो ये छोड़ के कहीं जाएगा.
He's doing 3 films, I'm doing just 1 right now. And but yeah, we are looking for subjects, we are discussing almost every day.
Yeah, we're discussing every day, and we hope we'll make an announcement soon.
Also, anything in terms of producing, production side of the.
Yeah. So that's what I'm discussing with some of my friends and my director friend, and so it's about producing something that's worthwhile. Abhishek is honestly, there's a cabin in J Entertainment that's reserved for him. He knows that.
Yeah, I know that.
So
Very sweet of
it's
him.
always
Actually,
there.
it is.
So it's there. He can work out of for any of his films outside also from there. I said, ये तेरा cabin है, तू जो करना है यहाँ से तू यहीं से कर. So we're very happy to have him in the family, and we want him and me to make more films together. नहीं, आई थिंक हर एक फिल्म के लिए एक ऑडियंस है. कमर्शियल फिल्म्स के लिए एक ऑडियंस है, अडल्ट फिल्म्स के लिए ऑडियंस है, हमारी फिल्म के लिए ऑडियंस है. तो सो एवरी फिल्म हैज गॉट एन ऑडियंस. जी या डेफिनेटली. आई थिंक कई अच्छी फिल्में बन रही है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. आई थिंक कमर्शियल फिल्म्स एकदम जो कमर्शियल फिल्म्स होते हैं वो भी बननी चाहिए. हर किस्म की फिल्म बननी चाहिए, कॉमेडीज़ भी बननी चाहिए. सो वी आर नॉट एंटी एनी फिल्म्स. हमें लगता है कि हम कोशिश करेंगे कि वी मेक बेटर कंटेंट एवरी टाइम. एंड फिल्म एंटरटेनिंग होनी चाहिए.
What do you enjoy doing more? Whether you enjoy doing, maybe you can answer right there because
Huh.
you really want the right. Whether you enjoy doing garam masala kind films, Houseful or Parvanu.
I enjoy doing all kinds of films. I honestly love comedies. I enjoy comedies.
So do I.
He also loves comedies. So we want to do something fun together now. But have a lot of fun, but I think there should be a nice message also somewhere down the line. So नहीं, I think see it's cyclical. अगर आपकी एक फिल्म अच्छी करती है then people laud you for it. आपको बुकेज मिलते हैं. अगर आपकी फिल्म अच्छी नहीं चलती आपको ब्रिक बैट्स भी मिलते हैं. So I think we are old horses at this. हमें समझ में आता है कि क्या चलता है क्या नहीं चलता है. We know it. But honestly, I think you all have been fantastic. So thank you for your support. I think that's very important.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
John, 15th August you have something very interesting. And Gold is also coming with an Akshay and you guys are really good friends.
Yeah.
At any point there was a discussion that you all don't want to come together.
Yeah, so I think Akshay is an actor in Gold. I am an actor in Satyamev Jayate. So I think that's a producer decision. It's Excel and it's T-Series. So I have no say in that at all. Akshay is my senior. I love him and I'll always wish the best for him. That's all I can say, you know. And I'm sure he'll also want the best for me.
But any actor, yeah, he did.
Yeah, he's damn sweet. Yeah.
सर अगर अभिषेक अगर प्लान करें ओसामा की अगली किस्त तो आप इस पे काम करना चाहेंगे?
As in तेरे बिन लादेन 100%. Tell him, ask him to commit here यहाँ पे.
मेरे को नहीं लगता कि मैं अब तेरे बिन लादेन बनाना चाहता हूँ. Comedy is definitely something that we have been thinking about. I think he has a very good sense of humor. Even in Parmanu, despite some serious scenes, he has some
ये देखो.
serious. He has some good
चुन के
moments.
निकाला.
Yeah. Some good moments that he has in the film. So yeah. Thank you.
John, one question I have with you. Apart from what everything is going on, I know that you want to keep stuff going, but there was a lot of views coming out that maybe there could be some animosity between you and Akshay, and of course you cleared it out on. But did you ever feel as a friend, not as an actor, but as a friend as well, that probably his decision to work with somebody who you have not had a good relation with was something that going again? What was the thing
No,
that you
didn't
felt
think
that?
about it so far. It's giving the other person importance, no? That co-producer importance. That person is not important to me. Akshay is important to me. So we get along. Yeah, we get along, Akshay. Rest is all history. Chodo. Yeah. Thank you. Of course, yeah. This is blind spot. This is wishing everybody and all the viewers of all the channels a very happy Eid. Eid Mubarak to all of you.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Have some great biryani. Yeah.
गणेश एक मिनट
दादा थोड़ा मुंडी
दत्ता सर
दत्ता भाई आपका वो आ रहा है
दादा थोड़ा सर थोड़ा नीचे करो बहुत अच्छी
आग लगा दी आग लगा दी
दो मिनट रोको मैं लेके
लाइट देना ये इसने
हाँ
ऊपर नहीं लेते ना उधर लेते सर वहाँ पे भाई
अरे जी न्यूज़ थोड़ा पीछे तो शॉर्ट्स भी चला जाएगा यार।
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ पूजा फिल्म्स कि हम इस फिल्म से जुड़े एंड ये फिल्म लोगों को पसंद आई है ऑफ कोर्स, इसीलिए सक्सेस पार्टी मनाई जा रही है। एंड आई थिंक जॉन इब्राहिम एज अ प्रोड्यूसर एंड एज एन एक्टर हैज़ रियली फेयर्ड वेल। अभिषेक हैज़ डायरेक्टेड द फिल्म रियली वेल एंड ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि लोग थिएटर में जा रहे हैं, वापस फिल्में देख रहे हैं। हम सब के लिए एज अ फ्रेटर्निटी बहुत अच्छी बात है। सो येस, आई एम रियली हैप्पी to celebrate the success of Parmanu. अलग in terms of इतनी सारी कहानियाँ हैं हिंदुस्तान में जो हमें नहीं मालूम, बेरली मालूम है। ऑफ कोर्स हमको मालूम था कि अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने ऐसे डिक्लेयर किया था, लेकिन उसके पीछे की स्टोरी क्या थी, वो कैसे हुआ था, क्या नहीं हुआ था, कैसे यूएस के सैटेलाइट को चकमा देकर चीज़ें की गई, तो वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हैं। एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई से दिस इज़ स्लाइटली अ डिफरेंट बायोपिक इन दैट सेंस। बहुत जल्दी 14 सितंबर को मेरी अगली फिल्म आ रही है एज एन एक्टर। उसका अनाउंसमेंट प्रोड्यूसर्स करेंगे एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू शेयर दैट विथ यू ऑल। तो मैं अभी बता दूंगा तो फिर मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ेगी मेरे प्रोड्यूसर्स से। सो अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा। एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम हियर एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पूजा फिल्म्स बिकॉज मेरी बहन और मेरे डैड यहाँ नहीं आ पाए, वो लंदन में है, तो मैं आया हूँ जॉन को और पूरी टीम को थैंक यू करने। हाँ, मैं सारे व्यूअर्स को ईद की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा। ईद मुबारक। थैंक यू।